Using an email address as an account username is basically giving away half your security. Most accounts that require an email do so not for security but to enable marketing, either directly by them or indirectly by selling your information to a third party. Don't help the marketers clog your inbox and invade your privacy. Using a unique username removes half of your digital attack surface, but exponentially increases your security. You may have three options available to you when you open a new account. The option for a username is there right up front. You can change it after creation if available, or you can use a dedicated email as outlined in this video. Using LastPass's password generator makes it both easy to create and store a singularly unique username. Also, check out the tips in the description of this video.